When your factory warranty runs out, unexpected repair bills can hit hard. That's where MotoAssure Administration comes in. MotoAssure Administration is a third-party vehicle service contract administrator. That's different from a warranty. A warranty comes from the manufacturer. A vehicle service contract is a separate agreement you choose, one that helps cover qualifying mechanical repairs after factory coverage ends. MotoAssure doesn't sell cars or make them. They manage the infrastructure that makes protection plans work. When a driver purchases a vehicle protection plan, MotoAssure Administration handles what happens behind the scenes, verifying coverage, processing claims with repair facilities, and making sure contracted terms are honored. Drivers take their vehicle to an authorized repair shop. The facility contacts MotoAssure, and the claims process moves from there. MotoAssure Administration offers tiered protection plans for real-world driving situations, including pre-owned vehicles, high-mileage cars and trucks, and classic vehicles outside manufacturer eligibility windows. If your vehicle is past factory coverage, MotoAssure Administration gives you options. MotoAssure Administration operates with a nationwide network of licensed repair facilities and a claims process built around your contract terms. Read the coverage details, ask questions, and make an informed choice. To learn more, visit MotoAssureAdmin.com.